Not even gonna lie. It's the little things. I am excited about this ladle because straight up, the ladle that I've had for 30 some years was broken the other day. Yeah, my grandson thought it was a drumstick. It's not. Look at this. This is nice, sturdy. Oh, yeah, my old one didn't have this. I love the shape. I love the feel. Oh, I'll have to get some video using it. But this is, it has a comfortable grip. It's great for anything you need to ladle out. It's dishwasher safe. It is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. Dang. Non-toxic. Safe nylon. Got the little hooky thing where I have a little thing where I hang mine up in the kitchen. Like I said, it's the little things.